Guys, Ronnie with Technically Speaking. Today we're doing a review on AmberTronix LED desk lamp. Let's get into it. Let's open it up. Looks like this is gonna need some assembly. One second. Okay guys, so it does require some assembly. It came in two pieces. Came in a base, and then this part, the top part, the lamp part, is actually made of some kind of PVC material. It's kind of sturdy. I'm not gonna say it's the best quality, build quality in the world, but it's a decent lamp. It has 4 modes. It actually has a reading mode, a study mode, a relaxed mode, and a sleep mode. It has 4 dimming modes on it, and it has a timer, a 1-hour timer, so it can cut off if you're going to sleep or anything. Actually has a USB charger port that can charge like your cell phone, a smart device. Nothing big like an iPad, but just small stuff like cell phones and things like that. Seems like a pretty good lamp. Let's see how it works. So right now it's in reading mode. That's the dimmer. Study mode. Relax mode. And sleep mode. All right, let's check out the charger port. Pretty good, works. This lamp has like 50,000 lamp hours on it, so it's not gonna have to ever replace the bulbs in it. It's 16.5 inches tall and 12.5 inches wide. Yeah, cool little lamp. Not gonna do the timer because it'll take forever. It's a pretty simple lamp, kind of like a bridge between a smart lamp and your traditional lamp, with all the little small features like USB charger port and the different modes and things like that. And the little design of it is more like more catered to more of a techie type vibe. So I like it. The price point, I mean, it's a decent price, and I like it. So is it consumable? I would say yes, it is. if you're not looking for anything too super techy that you can control with your cell phone and you can talk to it and things like that. It's a decent lamp, nice for a desk or table or anything like that. So in my opinion, it's consumable. This is Ronnie with Technically Speaking, and remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.